अनशन छोड़ना वो हड़ताल
activists that they are calling us now. We are students. We have to stand up for the rights, so we have become activists. So the demands are being heard. That's beautiful. And if after being heard, they are actually implemented and it has coming into fruition actually. To say is one thing, but for it to actually happen is another. 2024 leaks, the mastermind, alleged mastermind, was released on bail, and he has been cleared of all the allegations towards him. Everyone is aware of it. So I hope this doesn't happen this time.
Prime Minister also said that fast track court will be set up to try those involved in this paper leak. Fast track court.
On this, I will just quote that little boy whose reel went viral. He was sitting in a public office, and he goes like, one of the staff goes like, "Arey karwa denge." He's like, "Karwa denge nahi, karwa dijiyega." So that is what I want to say. I know you're gonna say that it's gonna happen, but we really want to see it happening.
Last night, Sonam Wangchuk broke his fast. Oh, what?
For his health, I give him all the more strength, and to his family as well. But we all know that fasts and demands are two different things. So holding a fast and holding towards the demand. So I'm happy he's broken his fast, but I know he's still going to be very, strict and take his stand about all the demands that have to be fulfilled this time. They can't get away with it.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said Sonam Wangchuk to take care of his health, and also he has broken his fast. So Prime Minister said.
That's beautiful. Like he shows his care towards the citizens who are standing up for their rights, who are fasting, and even the lady in Manipur, which I've heard of, 16 years she fasted for. Nobody knows about it. So all these issues and people who are fighting for the nation, they are getting the voice, the platform. I'm absolutely amazed about it.
Cockroach Janata Party delegations and this governments are today holding a talks. What do you say?
I mean, if something is happening, that means there is growth. There's progress happening. Each day, every day you see there's students coming up, farmers coming, and the next day government is speaking. So the more people that joining that conversation is beautiful, but something has to come out of the conversation. So I hope.
लोकशाही मराठी ऐका, पहा, जागरूक रहा.